Hey guys, Vivtorsing here. Welcome back to another Minecraft Snapshot, the second one of the year. And we got two new blocks. Well, two. It looks like five, but it's technically two. And these are like the test blocks for Minecraft. I feel like the Mojang developers are like, we have to test this game. We gotta find these bugs. And they're like, you know what? Let's add the test blocks. We already have it. Let's just make it a bit nicer for ourselves. But little do they know, it's not helping only just them, it's helping all the modders, it's helping the datapack developers, maybe some command block engineers if you're having like thousands of command blocks. And yeah, it's a really, and possibly also for builders as like block decorations as well. I'll actually think, I didn't test that out yet, but I'll look at it later. So let's explain this a little bit. So here's the first block. It's basically the test block. And Mojang did add a test for us. And let's see, I'll just go over here. So there's a test command. Go away. Okay. So there's a test command, to run all your lovely tests. So we can do a test create a always pass, right? Here it is. I don't know why this time it went one block higher. It's because I was looking at the grass block. I'm not sure. Here it is, always pass. Here's all the function stuff. Apparently this is datapack driven, which means I'm not really helpful in this situation. But if you run the test, it will run this test where it just places nothing here. It feels like it just clears this block and just checks if there's nothing in this area and then passes it. So if it passes, it becomes a lovely green beacon. If it fails, it becomes a lovely red beacon. So amazing. And then there's also the test blocks, which have the start, log, fail, accept, right? So this one is the start, right? No, it doesn't say here. Oh, that's sad. I believe this is the start. Log, fail, yeah, start. So what this basically does is let's say we're building a redstone. We can do it here. Let's just go here. This is a structure block. I was just testing something. I actually wrote a data pack for this, but it doesn't work because I'm apparently bad at writing data packs. And also, I think it's better to run these test cases on like a Minecraft server. And that's where I also forgot to mention, even Minecraft servers like Hypixel can use this to check if their code and plugins are working correctly as well. So I'm too lazy to go and run a server for this because it's a snapshot, and I already feel like a lot of this is gonna change. I hope they change it. I'll actually point out some things. So what this is, to me, is like a redstone block, but not like a redstone block. It's a where is it? An observer. So it sends like a little tick out, so you can run redstone. So we're just gonna do a redstone example. So let's just run some redstone, blah blah blah, and we can have it power this. If it powers the accept test block, that means the test passes, and our little test block, just imagine it's right here, okay? This test block will just shine the green beacon and be like test pass, okay? Amazing, right? Let's just say, I don't know, we're doing something crazy here. Let's just say, in regular Minecraft, this should be the outcome. I'm losing my mind. Okay, and let's just say then everyone changed something, and now this is technically a 4 tick delay, and this one is the no, 2 and 8. Oh no, I forgot. Like, let's just say they swapped, right? Everyone did something, and now this test will fail. This is a really bad example. I don't know why I have done this. I just confused everyone. But it's run by Redstone. There's also the log one, where you can just say blah blah, just log anything, a message, and this will go to the server log. It won't go to here, it will go to the server log, as you can see, like server. So it's not gonna print out here. You gotta print it out in the server. That's why I said servers will have a better time with this, even though I did a really bad redstone example. But you can see what it's doing. I think I can do a redstone command block example as well. So like, let's say like I'm running some crazy redstone technology, okay? Let's just say it's like, building some crazy thing, right? Like, I don't know, a jetpack, right? and I just want to make sure like one of the scoreboards or something's running, right? I'm not gonna just code this out right now, but it will check, right? This command will be this will be the checking stage. This will be the running phase. This will check if the scoreboard is running correctly and nothing's glitching out, right? And if it notices that something glitches out, it will probably set block a fail block, so this will auto run it and fail it. If not, and it feels like everything is okay, it will set a green check mark and the thing will pass. This seems a lot better, even though the rest of the one is bad. This one seems slightly better. Okay, so yeah, you're supposed to use data packs, and I'm bad at writing data packs apparently. I did it, but it didn't work. I don't know if I was supposed to like restart the client or whatever, or I don't know. But the one thing I don't like is that you can't really create your test case here. It's kind of really annoying. Like if I go here, there is a command, right, to create, right? I can just call it, I don't know, Minecraft test. That's one I created, but it doesn't really build the redstone for it. So I don't know what's up with that. And then it also says no such test. So I feel like here you should be allowed to click in here and like start typing some stuff, right? You know, just go to here and like, that's not it. Where'd it go? Oh, I broke the command block, didn't I? So like you go here, you can like click on it and just, you know, modify a bit, because there some of these functions blah blah blah. This one's like some of these you can change right here. You don't need to go to a data pack and write some crazy things for that. It would be really nice if they did that. So like if Mojang's, you know, adding some new flowers into Minecraft and want to make sure it doesn't glitch out anything, they can easily make the test case in Minecraft without like going outside and coding in a text edit or like, you know, their code editor or whatever to make these functions. I mean, that's what I think. I don't know. It would be really nice. It would be helpful, you know. Just go here and just have it. You can just write the stuff here. So like there's a default one, and then you can just modify this one and make it how you want. Then you can save it. See, there's a save. Just change the name and then, you know, modify here and save it, and then build it and save it. You know how much easier that would be? That would be pretty nice. So yeah. Actually, I'm gonna quickly check something. If I just, you can't write. Okay. Yeah. I also think we should use these as building blocks. I mean, not really like not really survival builders can use it, but like map makers can use this. I really see these two blocks being used a lot. So like if there's like a I want to quickly build one. Like let's say here we can do it. Let's say there's like a quiz room or whatever, right? There's a quiz. Imagine this door is locked, and it'll be like, what's the answer to this question, right? And then you answer it, and then here it can be like incorrect, right? And it'll be like, oh, I got it wrong, or correct, and then the door opens. Wouldn't that be cool? You can actually just do a set block. Actually, are there actually some data on these? Yes, there are. Yippee, that's good. I like that. Yeah, so you can just set blocks. So you can just do a set block of a test block, and then you can just set the mode to pass or fail. You can have these other ones. This one looks more like a diamond block. Okay, let's make sure. Does it look like a diamond block? Looks like a lapis block. No, it looks like the old lapis block. No, it looks more like a diamond block. Right? I don't know. I feel like change this texture. I don't know. I don't think they will, but I would really like if you can just go here and type out the data pack stuff here instead of writing a data pack. That's my only complaint. So I guess this will actually help Mojang fix their bugs a little bit quicker, because in the last snapshot there was this weird bug with the shulkers where you can accidentally start duplicating your diamonds. So if we take a diamond, put it in here, and now if we break it, it should be fine. Before it will break the shulker box with the diamond and then also spit a diamond out, which was a bug. And now Mojang has this. They can just, you know, double check everything before they release. I mean, they already do double check everything. They probably didn't have a test case for it. So hey Mojang, maybe make this easier, so you know, make this easier to create a test case so you can build in the game, save it. And so yeah, we got technically building blocks for map makers, if you want to consider it. I will. I think this will be such a cool block to play with. Just to as for map makers, and then Mojang and Hypixel and mod pack developers will use this to test everything, ensure everything's good. This is probably gonna speed up a lot of stuff because now it's actually in the game. You don't need to write some crazy thing. I mean, for Mojang, they already technically had this already. They just made their lives a bit easier, so you know they can speed up their side of stuff. But mod makers are gonna be super happy with this. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Hopefully the next Snapshot they make this easier, because this is really confusing. I spent I think 2 or 3 hours working on it, and you know how Minecraft is with their Snapshot release notes. They're super vague and super confusing. Apparently there's a mistake in there where I think one of the test cases you had to write it slightly differently. I don't know, I don't remember which one it was, but yeah, maybe that's what I did wrong in my data pack and that's why it didn't work. I have no idea. So hopefully they make it easier. I really would like if you can just write a test case here. So like when you put one down, you can just, it will have like a default thing already, and you can just modify it slightly and you're good to go. You just build it and you're good to go. So yeah, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for next week's Snapshot. Let's see how long I can continue the streak of being late and doing a Snapshot update video. So yeah, enjoy and bye guys.